The IB1606 is an intelligent multi-layers cutting system developed for industrial footwear production. With a working area of 1600-600 millimeters, the system is optimized for continuous cutting of stacked footwear materials. The machine supports 6 to 16 layers, depending on material type, including mesh, lycra, TPU microfiber, laminated composites, EVA foam, and PU uppers. A high-frequency oscillating knife system delivers clean, precise edges without thermal damage. No burning, no yellowing, no deformation. The cutting platform is driven by dual Panasonic servo motors, ensuring positioning accuracy up to 0.1 millimeters, even at high operating speeds. A reinforced steel frame and anti-vibration gantry ensures stable 24-hour industrial operation. High vacuum absorption secures multi-layer materials during cutting. Dual projection positioning and an HD industrial camera enable precise alignment and fast model changeovers. Intelligent nesting software maximizes material utilization, reducing waste by 8-12%. IB1606 precision, efficiency, and reliability for footwear manufacturing.